How to make ChatGPT for better YouTubers. Hi guys, so in this video I will teach you how to make ChatGPT for better YouTubers. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It is pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So to do that, you can head over to ChatGPT right here and you can send a message from there to generate you some ideas. So for example, you have an idea of what is or the common misconception with America. So you can type in a video idea right here and type in list me 10, and then this will give you this response right here, this 10 common misconceptions that are having in America. So there you have it, your ideas. Right now you can make a script after that. So for example, right here, just everyone has access to healthcare. You can just copy that and type in the prompt again, make a script for this, and then paste it. And then this will make you a script. As you can see, there's already a title, introductions right here. As you can see, here it is. There's a script for two people or people working and talking with each other. But as you can see, this is not a script for YouTube. So what you need to do is to make a YouTube script for this title or for this topic. Then send it again, and then this will give you this again. So this is in the format of a host and an interviewer right here. So as you can see, it is much better than the other one right there. So after you have made a script right there, you can just repurpose it into 30-second video. So what you need to do is to just click on this and copy the whole script. So let's copy this. Then after that, just send a prompt like get the most important part of this script and rewrite it into 30-second video script. And then just type in or paste the script that you have earlier. So as you can see, it is rewriting that, and as you can see, it is much more as you can see, it is much more shorter than earlier. So as you can see right now, there's already a script that we have worked on. So right now, let's get some titles. So give me some title for those scripts. So let's type in that. And then as you can see, it is provided the some title for that script. There's 10 of them. You can just choose in any one of them. Then after you have get some titles, what you need to do so is to generate some thumbnail ideas for that script. Then after you have sent that prompt, it will give you this thumbnail idea right here, and you can now proceed to make it in your video using this prompts that ChatGPT has gave you. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to make ChatGPT for better YouTubers. So if you want to learn and if you have any questions, just comment them down below because we will provide you of all the answers that you need. So that's the whole process. Make sure to follow and subscribe.